Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming prerequisites. Make sure you have level 12, 3 chrono jars, and a stable save. Once done, export your current slot or upload to cloud so you can revert if needed. Next, record your timber, coins, crew count, and active quests in a quick note. This prevents accidental loss. Now open the time device menu and choose a nearby date within the first 24-hour window for a safe initial test. This first jump verifies setup and gives you a predictable rollback point. You now execute controlled, incremental jumps to observe effects. Start small, 1 hour, then 6, then 12, so you can isolate what changes each jump triggers. While jumping, watch quest flags, resource deltas, and crew behavior closely to identify inconsistent state changes. If a scheduled seasonal event or boss spawn appears on your target date, make sure to avoid it. Overlapping events create corrupt states. Gradually increase jump range only after confirming stability. Because larger leaps compound hidden interaction, you finish by committing to a fresh permanent slot once your desired state is stable and reproducible. After saving, reconcile gains, rebalance workforce, cancel or restart market orders, and verify active quests to prevent duplicate rewards. If something goes wrong, your recovery path is simple. Reload the backup save you made earlier, then replay the incremental jumps while observing the exact step that caused the issue. This lets you isolate and avoid the problematic action, preserving progress without accepting corrupt states.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.